All right, so now we're moving to paragraph 2 in Dr. Walker's dissertation for chapter 4. Okay, so let's go here. Now, paragraph 2. Okay, so this was paragraph 1, and we covered that. Now, Dr. Walker did not do what I'm about to tell you to do. She just had one sentence where she said, in chapter 4, I will address data collection, the results of the study, and the summary. She only did part of what I'm going to tell you to write. Okay, that's very important. She only did part of it. So you're going to state the purpose of the chapter, right? The purpose of chapter 4 is to describe the sample, to discuss the process of data collection, and to detail the results of the analysis, right? That's the purpose of this chapter. Then you're going to describe the organization of the chapter. First, we're going to talk about data collection. Then we're going to talk about the summary of results. But also with data collection, we're going to describe the sample. Then we talk about summary results. And then we talk about the results, specifically the data preparation phase, the preliminary analysis phase, and the primary analysis phase. And then we will end the chapter with a chapter summary, right? So that's what you want to say, okay? That's what you want to say for paragraph 2. So write paragraph 2, okay? And then we will move on to the next section. You will be complete with the introduction. You will have completed the introduction. Now it's time to go on to the next section, which is the pilot study. Now, if you did not do the pilot study, then you can skip that. But I need to cover it for those who did. All right? You can skip that and go to the next section.